All right, I got this tabletop drill press. It's old school, heavy metal. It works. I'll turn it on here in a minute. You can see the mechanism goes up and down nice and smoothly. You have easy access to the belt. Now this belt will have to be changed out because it's a little worn. Really neat the way that does that. Turn this on here in a second. Let's see, got that covered up. That's working all really good. It's got the chuck with it right here, attached to the unit. So if you'd like this old school unit that'll last probably a long time, then place a bid for it.